How to transfer money from Crypto.com to Phantom Wallet. First, open the Crypto.com app and sign in. Tap Accounts at the bottom. Then select Crypto Wallet and choose the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, such as Bitcoin. Click Transfer and then Withdraw, selecting an external wallet. Next, open the Phantom app, sign in, and tap Receive. Choose the cryptocurrency, example Bitcoin, and copy the wallet address. Go back to Crypto.com and paste the address in the appropriate field, selecting Non-Custodial Wallet for the wallet type. After confirming the details, give your wallet a name, example Phantom Bitcoin, and click Continue. Enter your postal code and confirm that you trust the address. Then choose the amount to withdraw, keeping in mind the minimum withdrawal limit. After confirming and verifying the transaction with codes, the funds will be sent to your Phantom wallet. It's recommended to start with a small transfer to ensure the process works before transferring larger amounts. If you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe.